in Quitman, Georgia. George Boston Rhynes, and once again, the Quitman 10+2 Lula Smart once again will be facing a judge and jury. I just came out of the courtroom. This is the second day of these proceedings. They are still trying to select the jury. C.V. King has some very interesting questions to ask, and we just want to say to you that we are very happy to be here. I thank God for us being under this type of government wherein we can ask and be in the courtroom with the video cameras. I made my request and they are in. And we promise the people that what we do will be in the best interest of our republic. Once again, I ask that you not ask me for copies of any of these court proceedings inside of the courtroom until the verdict is in. We will not post anything from the inside of the courtroom. We do that because when we know the law, we abide by the law. It's just that simple. So we know that C.V. King, the attorney, has some questions. The question was about fairness and not being able to find out if some of the jurors was biased, if they had preconditions or notices or been influenced by what they've heard. C.V. King also asked about does the people know that this is a small town and that word gets around real fast. And so this little town is a little different from the larger cities in that they must cohabit together or close, they're in the same proximity. And so I thought that I got in, I wasn't here yesterday because I was in Gordon, Georgia, but I'm here today and I will promise you I will try to give you as much update as I can. I do not see any TV stations here. The Quitman Free Press 2 weeks ago announced that this case would be taking place. However, like Gordon, Georgia, the other day, Monday night council meeting, it was a hot case, but yet there were no television stations in City Hall. And once again, we were there because we know that you have a right to know, and I'm going to continue to exercise my right to do what needs to be done. And what needs to be done is the citizens of our beloved state of Georgia have a right to know what is going on in their beloved community. And as an independent, self-proclaimed lover of the people and lover of our form of government, all I can say to you, tune in for the third trial. Lula Smart, of course, first trial ended up in a mistrial. The second one was a mistrial. And now they're trying this young lady again after nearly 4 years. Seemed like to me some of the witnesses would have forgotten what they wanted to say. It seemed as if though the district attorney David Miller, assistant district attorney Brad Sheely, maybe the G.B.R. and maybe others, there may be a deeper motive. One minister, Pastor Avery, I call his name, Pastor Avery asked me a few minutes ago, and I hope we can interview him, but he asked me, what is going on with this? There's something wrong with this case, and somebody needs to step up to the plate and say something because it is a travesty of justice. I didn't say that. Pastor Avery said it, and I believe him. Once again, this is the Getto Free Press, and I'm George Boston Rhynes, giving you the best because you deserve no less. And we're going to do everything we can to let you know that our beloved nation is the great nation because we do have freedom of speech and freedom of the press. And we are going to continue to do what we do until the end of the Quitman 10 case is over.